Well, it is a relief to have a cohesive government so that there are no excuses anymore. What our expectation is that we should look at Healthcare India as in totality, for which we have already developed a suggested blueprint Health India, which we have shared with some of the key people, but with the new government we need to share it. And build the structure from ground up, from the last man standing in the village to the tertiary care level. It is very clearly defined and very possible that we can accomplish it mostly from the resources which are there in the country already, but some additional resources will be needed. So till today, the GDP proportion allocated to health is 1% or less. This is the only country that has so little. So if we can jack it up to at least double it for now and then take it to 3% over the next 2-3 years, and those resources are utilized efficiently without leakages, we can fix the health problem of India, no question. This will mean participation of the government sector, the NGO sector and the private sector, because today 80% of healthcare lies in the private sector. We need to break the firewalls between them and start aligning their activities, stacking them from ground up. So like the government can very easily, because it has the network, provide primary care at the ground level. At the secondary level, there is a challenge because there are civil and district hospitals which are of different level of functionality. They need some resources, so public-private partnerships would be the ideal way to go. Whereas tertiary care, which is very expensive to create and hence also to deliver, it's difficult for the government to do it on its own. So the government can do what they are doing, but mainly it will lie in the private sector where huge investments are required. The materials and operationally with doctors and all that is expensive, but it can be done by the private sector, and the government can be the purchaser of healthcare at a reasonable cost, so that the people who do not have the means are provided healthcare at the tertiary level also by prior agreement between the government and the private sector. So this is all possible. Blueprint is ready. We just meticulously, brick by brick, build this from ground up, which may take 5-7 years, but it is very possible.